Okay, so which one is this, Mario?
That's 11M. And
This is 11M.
the female.
This is the male, 11-inch male. I mean 11-inch male, number 11 male. And what size is he again?
He's 23 inches exactly.
20. This is the girl, number 10.
22 and 1/4.
22 and 1/4 inches. Okay, so this is the male, and again, how big is this male?
23 inches exactly.
23 inches exactly.
He does like the rubs. Goes left and right. Look at that.
Yeah, he likes to get the scratch.
Beautiful shaped shell, very domed.
Yeah, look at how nice that adult is. That's the female, and the male is on the.
And the male is back
yeah.
here.
Okay.
This is the female. Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Mario from the Giant Tortoise Farm. And here today, I'm with this pair of Aldabra tortoises. To the left, we have 10. 10 is the female, and to the right here, we have our male, which is identification number 11. The female is measuring in 22 inches, 22 and 1/4 inch, and the male is measuring exactly at, let's get a little closer here. The male is a 23-inch animal. Check him out. Enjoying those greens there. How neat. So that's them right there, side by side, 10F and 11M. And right here we have the female.